It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a curator of a Nest Pretty lifestyle, which means making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. So this week I challenged myself to many different diffuser recipes, and I am really glad I did. It's so good to try new things and experiment and see what you like and what maybe you don't. I found that I really like copaiba in my diffuser, so I'm excited about that. And I thought at the end of the week I would share with you what my favorite diffuser recipe is. I got this recipe off of Facebook about a year ago, and I'm so glad I did because it helped me to fall in love with my favorite oil, which is Northern Lights Black Spruce. Amazing. So in my diffuser, I'm going to add my distilled water. Now, the instructions on this particular diffuser says to use room temperature, tap, spring, or distilled water. So you have options. You can choose. I'm in the habit of using distilled water, but like I said, you have options. Now, I'm going to add 3 drops of my favorite oil, Northern Lights Black Spruce. And to that, I'm going to add 4 drops of grapefruit and 4 drops of orange. Now, I learned about this on Facebook, and it was called a hack, and it was saying if you want your house to smell like Anthropology, the store, then use this diffuser blend. And it does. It smells really nice. And 4 drops of grapefruit. The thing about it is that it's appealing to both men and women. It's not super sweet. It's not one or the other. It's just really ideal and fabulous. So happy diffusing. Turn it on, and I'm gonna do my favorite candle flicker. And I hope you have a lovely evening.